What is going on, everybody? Today we are doing a unboxing of the Vero Engineering Impulse Mini. Man, it's been a while. Man, I placed this order. We placed this order, I don't know, something like 3 months ago now. Oh God, the wait kills you sometimes on these hot knives that you really can't wait to get your hands on, but yeah, you're stuck waiting on them. But you know, that's just part of the game sometimes. Well, let's get to it. Let's get this. I already started working it, trying to get this thing out of the box here. Probably should use a knife, huh? Would be nice, huh? There we go. Look at that. Look at that. I love his patches. He's got great patches. Oh, yeah. Good stuff. Look at that. We got some stickers. Yeah, stickers. Some candy. Oh, just look at that patch. That's nice. Got the knife right on it. Got the company logo there. Oh, nice padded case. Ooh, there's the knife. And here's the card. Impulse Mini, first run, Joseph Vero, M390, hand satin with all the raw finishes. Don't need anything fancy here. Actually, really wasn't anything to do with that. You know, these knives go so fast, you gotta get what you can, but this is pretty much what I wanted. I wanted raw finishes anyhow. Nice cloth. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice show side there. Look at that. Let's get to that. Oh, yeah. That's snappy. Not bad. Not as drop shutty as you usually see. A little hard to get in that notch right there sometime. It's a little notch, but yeah, that's nice. Yeah, feels good in the hand. I'd like to get his full size version too. The full size version's nice. It's a little more quite my style. I do like a bigger knife. The hardware's a little on the small side, but there's not a lot of it, so just got to be careful when you're taking it apart to clean it. It's a pretty nice hand satin finish there. Looks good. Looks very good. Got his logo right down the spine there. The jimping is nice. It's number 320. Which is probably pretty high because he doesn't do necessarily a lot of knives. That's what makes these knives so hard to get. That's a nice flipper tab too. I love his flipper tab. So subtle. There's no pocket pecker on that one. Sits there very nice. Nice little bit of jimping right there, and then it just flies out. It's a nice Tanto. Not too aggressive, not too mild. Nice swedge. Like I said, this is a small, which, for some companies, for somebody, it might be big. It's overall 8 inches with a just under 3.5 inch blade. So pretty good size for a small knife. Perfect for me though. That's definitely gonna be a good EDC carrying knife. Not extremely deep carry, but I don't really care about. I'm one of those people that I like to be able to grab my knife and pull it out of the pocket without pinching the pocket clip. So I like a little bit poking out. I don't need it to be buried in there and have to try to dig to get it out. But yeah, that's very nice. Very nice. And that flipper tab, you gotta love it. when these companies are, these guys are getting really better at designing subtle flipper tabs that really just do the job. And middle finger flicking is good too. Just got to get your hand in that little notch. So, you know, I have skinny fingers, so you can tell that's a little notch. And compare it to the Spyderco's big hole, you know, you can't miss that. But yeah, it's a nice knife, very nice. Obviously, you guys can't get your hands on them because they're very limited production run knives. So sorry about that, but you can keep your eyes open for the next big run, the next run that he does do. You know, we'll carry this thing around, put it to some use and test it out and see how it does. It's got a nice edge on it. Yeah, it's got a very nice edge. Overall, just a very nice, he's got a very nice, sleek design. And you know, yeah, it's just gonna fit great in the pocket. I mean, you know, again, you compare it to the Spyderco, you know, it's a lot slimmer form factor when you compare the two. But yeah, that's nice. That's a nice knife. It was worth the wait. The wait took forever, but it was worth it. Thank you, Joseph Vero. We were gonna enjoy this knife, and this knife will have its place in this collection. So, hey guys, make sure that you smash that subscribe button and smash the like button. We always have a lot more content coming for you guys. We're always looking at different knives and different ways to show you these knives, at putting them to, you know, some test or whatever, you know. So, you know, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, because you never know what we're going to have coming. We're going to be doing all kinds of good stuff this year. I have all kinds of plans of mixing it up. So make sure you just hit that subscribe button, guys, and join us every time that we put out a video, because you never know what's going to come up. The only one guarantee is it will be a Tanto knife. See you on the next one, guys. Have a great day.